As the years progress, many men observe that getting their penis filled with blood doesn't occur as effortlessly as it once did. What used to happen automatically now demands more effort and, in some cases, can become frustrating. This occurs because blood circulation changes, blood vessels lose their elasticity, and hormone production is no longer the same. However, this does not mean there is no way to regain potency and improve erections even after 55. I'm Julia Sila, a urologist, and over the years, I have treated many patients facing this very challenge. While most assume that medication is the only solution, there are natural strategies and simple daily adjustments that can make a significant difference. By making the right choices, you can optimize your body's function and achieve firmer, longer lasting erections. In this video, I will explain what every man over 55 needs to know to enhance erection quality without depending solely on medication. Blood circulation, daily habits, and even stress management have a direct impact on performance. And with a few changes, it is possible to reverse this condition and enjoy a more active, satisfying sex life. Before we proceed, please check if you're already subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any new content on health and sexual education. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button to help ensure this message reaches more people. I'd love to hear your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you like the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions for improvement. Your participation is essential. Many changes occur in the body over time, and erectile function is no exception. When you're 55 or older, it's normal to notice that erections don't occur as easily as before. This does not necessarily mean something is wrong. Rather, it indicates that your body is undergoing natural adaptations. Blood circulation is not as efficient as it once was. Testosterone production gradually decreases, and even the brain's response to stimuli may slow down a bit. All these factors directly affect the firmness and duration of an erection. Additionally, as blood vessels lose some elasticity, it becomes harder for blood to flow into the penis. Previously, a mere exciting thought was enough to trigger a reaction, but now it requires a bit more time and stimulation. Another important factor is that conditions such as hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes, which become more common with age, can also interfere with erectile function. When arteries are compromised, blood struggles to reach the areas where it is needed, and as a result, erections lose their strength. The psychological factor plays a role as well. Anxiety, daily worries, and the fear of not performing as well as before can become significant obstacles. The body responds to what the mind feels, and the more tension and pressure there is, the more difficult it becomes. But none of this means that your sex life is over. On the contrary, understanding these changes is the first step toward adopting strategies that improve circulation and restore more satisfying erections. Do you want to strengthen your sex life and deepen your connection with your partner? In my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, you'll find practical guidance on reigniting desire, overcoming both physical and emotional challenges, and enjoying more pleasurable moments. Access it through the link in the first pinned comment to learn how to transform your love life. A strong and lasting erection depends directly on one essential factor: blood circulation. When there is good blood flow to the penis, the corpora cavernosa fill rapidly, ensuring firmness and support. However, when this flow is compromised, an erection may take longer to develop, be weaker, or not last as long as desired. This happens because, over time, blood vessels become less efficient and arterial elasticity decreases, making it harder for blood to pass through. Another critical point is nitric oxide production, a key substance responsible for relaxing blood vessels and dilating the arteries in the penis. The release of nitric oxide is reduced in men with high cholesterol, hypertension, or diabetes, which means that circulation does not occur optimally, and the erection is affected. Furthermore, poor circulation can also result from unhealthy habits, such as leading a sedentary lifestyle, consuming a diet high in bad fats, or smoking. Taking care of your blood circulation is not just about sexual performance, it's about overall health. The heart, brain, and muscles all require good blood flow to function well. The better your circulation, the more effectively your body can respond in all areas, including erection quality. Small routine adjustments can have a big impact on vitality and performance. Another silent enemy is diet. Consuming excessive fried foods, sugars, and ultra processed foods contributes to the buildup of fatty plaques in the arteries, impairing blood circulation and reducing nitric oxide production. This means that every meal high in unhealthy fats could be sabotaging the firmness of your erections in the future. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption and smoking are major culprits. Too much alcohol can harm the nervous system and reduce sensitivity, while smoking damages arteries, making blood flow even more difficult. Stress and lack of sleep complete the list of silent saboteurs by increasing cortisol levels and disrupting hormonal balance. Identifying and correcting these habits is the first step to regaining sexual potency. Physical activity is one of the most powerful allies for sexual health. In addition to strengthening your entire body, certain exercises can improve blood circulation, ensuring a more efficient flow to the penis. The first major benefit of exercise is heart stimulation, which helps pump blood more efficiently and keeps arteries clean. Walking for at least 30 minutes a day is sufficient to boost circulation and reduce the risk of vascular problems that affect erections. Alongside walking, strength training also makes a significant difference. Weight training improves testosterone production and strengthens the pelvic region, providing greater control during intercourse. Compound exercises like squats and deadlifts are excellent for stimulating hormone production and activating circulation in the lower body. Kegel exercises are another essential tool. Few men realize that strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can improve erection quality and even enhance ejaculation control. These exercises are simple to perform and can be done anywhere. Just contract the muscles you use to stop urine flow, hold for a few seconds, and then relax. With regular practice, you will notice a measurable difference in erection firmness. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine is an effective strategy for enhancing performance. Nutrition also has a direct impact on erection quality. What you eat daily can either strengthen or hinder blood circulation and the production of hormones, responsible for sexual desire and performance. To ensure that blood flows freely to the penis and that blood vessels remain healthy, it is essential to consume nutrient rich foods that promote arterial dilation and hormonal balance. Foods that are rich in nitric oxide, such as watermelon, spinach, and arugula, are among the most important because they help relax blood vessels, allowing blood to circulate more easily. Another fundamental category includes sources of healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and omega 3 rich fish, such as salmon. These fats support testosterone production and combat inflammation, which can impair erectile function. Additionally, red fruits like strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries provide powerful antioxidants that protect blood vessels from premature aging, while cocoa and dark chocolate stimulate circulation and improve mood by helping to reduce stress. On the other hand, reducing the consumption of sugar, fried foods, and ultra processed products is crucial to prevent the buildup of fat in the arteries. The body reacts to stress as if it were under threat, releasing hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. While this reaction can be useful in extreme situations, chronic stress causes damage over time, including impairing sexual function. Excess cortisol interferes with testosterone production and reduces the release of nitric oxide, essential for blood vessel dilation and optimal blood flow to the penis. The result is weaker erections and more difficulty maintaining them. Anxiety itself also acts as a psychological blockade. Constant worry about performance and fear of failure create a vicious cycle where the more you think about the problem, the worse it becomes. A racing mind prevents the body from responding naturally to sexual stimulation, which explains why many men experience erection failures precisely when they are most anxious or under pressure. To break this cycle, relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation can help lower cortisol levels, while enjoyable activities like outdoor walks and leisure time also make a difference. When stress becomes persistent, seeking psychological support might be the best solution. Mental tranquility has a direct impact on the body's ability to respond, allowing desire and erections to occur more naturally and without pressure. Beyond diet and physical exercise, there are also natural techniques that can improve circulation and promote stronger erections. One such method is penile massage, which stimulates blood flow in the area and helps oxygenate tissues. Gently applying pressure with circular motions can help dilate blood vessels, making erections firmer. Using warm compresses on the pelvic region is another effective strategy to activate local circulation. Hydrotherapy, which involves alternating between hot and cold water jets in the shower, can stimulate the dilation and contraction of blood vessels, serving as a natural exercise to improve circulation. This technique can be applied directly to the abdominal region and thighs, as these areas contain important arteries that supply blood to the penis. Exposure to sunlight at the right times can also help by increasing vitamin D production, which is crucial for testosterone regulation. Additionally, practicing specific stretches for the pelvic region can improve flexibility and blood circulation. Quality sleep is one of the most underestimated natural methods for maintaining erection quality. Good sleep regulates hormones and promotes the production of nitric oxide, ensuring a more efficient erectile response. Small daily adjustments can yield significant results without the need for medication. If erection difficulties become frequent and persist despite lifestyle changes, it is time to seek help from a specialist. Erectile dysfunction may be a sign of underlying issues such as cardiovascular problems, hormonal imbalances, or even neurological conditions. A urologist or endocrinologist can evaluate your situation and order tests to uncover the root cause. Blood tests are fundamental for checking testosterone, cholesterol, glucose, and other markers that influence sexual health. In some cases, hormone replacement therapy may be recommended if testosterone levels are found to be too low. Another common approach involves the use of PDE5 inhibitors such as Cialis and Levitra, which help improve blood flow to the penis. However, these medications should only be used with a prescription because they have contraindications and can interact with other medications. In addition to conventional treatments, some alternative therapies such as vascular stimulation and natural supplements may be recommended based on each patient's specific needs. The most important thing to understand is that seeking medical help is not a sign of weakness. It's a fundamental step in restoring sexual health. Specialized care can provide effective and safe solutions tailored to your individual case. Maintaining erection quality after the age of 55 depends on several factors, and now you know there is much you can do to improve circulation, strengthen blood vessels, and regain confidence. Small changes in diet, physical exercise, and stress management can make a significant difference. When necessary, seeking medical guidance is the best path to safe and effective solutions. I want to know, were you already aware of the importance of nitric oxide for erection quality? Leave your answer in the comments below. If this video provided useful information, please like it so that more people can access this content. Your support is essential for strengthening the channel and spreading this knowledge to those who need it. If you want to keep learning about health and sexual performance, check out the other videos on the channel. There are many more tips and insights to help you improve your intimate life safely and effectively. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content.